Hey guys, welcome back to Ohio RC. Today we're going to be doing a 100-mile-an-hour challenge with a carbon fiber tube, two pieces of foam that are half used, but still enough to be one sheet of foam. We're going to try that. We have an F motor, a flight test F motor with a 6-inch prop, 4 servos, some control horns, a ESC, a Y connector, some extensions, and a 2300 4S battery, as well as a receiver and a few other things that we need to complete this aircraft. So today we're going to be trying to get this thing to go real fast and with only these materials. So welcome back to Ohio RC. Let's get on with the build right after this. Hey guys, this is the Speed Demon Build Challenge. I've been trying to build a fast plane for a long time, can never get it right. So this is my second attempt. It runs on an F motor, a 6-inch prop from RC Electric Parts, which you're about to see their sponsorship video here in just a second, 4 9-gram servos, 25 amp ESC, and a 2500 3S LiPo. I know I said 2300 4S, but this is the best I could do to make it fit. Hey guys, this is sponsor time. Brought to you by RC Electric Parts. Supply your hobby. RC Electric Parts provides motors, ESCs, propellers, and more. All their ESCs are programmable, and their propellers come with motor shaft adapters, so you'll never have the wrong size propeller. You're also going to have to drill them out when you get them, but that's not that big a deal. If you go to their website, you'll pull up to this page, and you can scroll down and see all their products, from electric speed controllers, to motors, to propeller. If you'll scroll down in your propellers category, you can see all your different sizes of propellers, from small to big. If you scroll down in your ESC category, you can see all their different size ESCs, from small to big as well. Go check out RC Electric Parts website, link in the description. If you scroll down in the motor category, you can see all their motors from small to big as well. All these motors come with X-mounts, screws, mounting screws, and your shaft, as well as prop nuts. All of their electronics are plug and play, so you'll never have to worry about soldering. When you get an RC Electric Parts motor, it'll come in a box just like this. This one's a 1200 kilovolt motor. When you open up your box, you'll see a whole bunch of stuff like this. First, it'll be your motor, then you'll have your X-mounts and your screws, as well as your motor shaft and prop nut. When you get your ESCs, they'll come looking like this, with already soldered 3.5mm bullet plugs, as well as an XT60 connector and a JST for plugging into your receiver. All plug and play, no soldering required. This is your nylon propeller. It'll also come with nylon motor shaft adapters, so you won't have the wrong size prop. When you get it, you'll have to drill it out because the hole is too small, so you'll have to drill it out to your size shaft. Thank you RC Electric Parts for sponsoring this video. Supply your hobby. Now let's get back to the build. Alright guys, here she is. The Speed Demon is done. It took about 3 hours or 4 hours to build. There she is. Got little skids in the bottom from a previous airplane that I didn't use them on, but they're skids, so that way those connections do not break. We have push rod wire going from here. The thicker one is for the elevator, the thinner one is for the rudder, because the rudder is not that valuable really. Got the ailerons on both sides, almost the full length of the wing. Those will give me good throws, both with having less control. So then we have our F motor inside of the nose there. F motor inside of there, tucked away for less drag. Then we got our 6-inch prop there. Our receiver's in here. Then if we open this up here, just pull it up. There's our battery area where the battery sits and everything. So you just put that down there, and put that down there, and push down. And it should lock itself. There we go. Back here we got our servo there, servo there. 2 servos on the underside, right there and there. Those are covered up by tape, so you won't see them if I paint, but they're covered up with tape, so that we do less drag. Got our ventilation up here. That front hatch has the ESC in it. And that's just an ESC wire, and then there's the entire underside of the plane. Got some tape over the bumpy parts for make it more streamlined there. So hopefully it flies well. But yeah, that is what I call Speed Demon. So if this flies well, no flutterage or anything, I may or may not make a version 2 of this if it flies well. Because if it flies well, this will be a good plan. I might release some plans for this if I get it to fly well. So if it flies well and does everything I want it to, I'll make a newer version 2, and I'll make some plans and all that stuff. Maybe we'll see if I can figure out how to make plans. I'm not quite sure how to yet, but I do want to make some plans because this looks like a good plane. I've glide tested it. It does fly very well with gliding. So I'm hoping with the propeller on and everything, it does fly and go fast because it's got an F motor in it on a 3S, and at like half throttle, it's crazy powerful. It's also very light for what it is. It's a brick right now, but with that battery in there, it's a brick. But it does have some power. So I made these wings a little bit more of a thinner airfoil. It's got a carbon fiber spar in the middle of it here, as you can see. Going right there, you can kind of see the line there, and on this side too. Kind of see the line going to there. That's been sitting there for a while. And what else it has is 2 wood spars in there. The shape is more of a oval shape. The front end here is more of a Spitfire nose type shape, and the rear end is kind of like just more of a cub tail type shape. So that way we get maximum aerodynamics here. We got sunken. All the pieces are sunken in here. There's no like overlapping, so it's nice and streamlined there. Got our tail here. The rudder is on there pretty well. The elevator's on there pretty well. So I don't think we'll have any flutterage issues. If we do, we'll have to get better at this and make a better version. But this bottom here has a thing on the bottom there for streamlinedness too. So when it lands, it's going to come in like this and just do that nose skid. So that's what those skids are for, to protect the underside. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on this thing. See if I can't make some plans for this. It's a really simple plane. It's just two bottom wing skins, tape them together, glue that 2 top wing skins, glue those down with a spar in the middle. Then 2 side walls, 2 top and bottom walls, elevator and rudder, and a few like internal supports, like a little piece here, goes all the way across, up, down. It's just there's just a main spar in the middle to keep it nice and stiff in the middle. Then you just cut a hole in the bottom like that, and put your skids on. And that's about it, honestly.
just a few parts. If I had to count, I'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Probably about 15 pieces of foam in total, so it's not terrible. I'm definitely going to have to figure out how to build it without making these all 4 walls separate pieces. I'll just make them one piece and figure out how to do that because I'm not quite sure how to yet. But yeah, there's that plane, and keep you posted on how it flies.
Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. This is the Demon. It's finally done. We're going to go fly it here sooner than later, and I'll keep you guys posted. If you like what you see, please comment about what you like best and what I can improve on and what you'd like to see on this channel, because I love making these videos for you guys. If you want to see more, subscribe, leave a comment, like and share, tell all your friends, and maybe we can make some more videos like this. Thank you for watching. This is Ohio RC. Catch you on the next flight.